Alright guys, so in this video I'm proud to say that I just published my first Python API. So in this video I just want to show you guys how this API works. It's very straightforward, but I just want to show you guys how to install it, how it works, and if you guys want to contribute to the API, you can put it in the chat. But essentially the purpose of this video is just to show you guys how my API works. And how to use this. And even though it's a very simple API right now, this is the start of a very cool API. So let's get started. The first thing we want to do is go to pypy.org. So this is the Python packaging index. And here's where you can publish APIs, download APIs, things like that. Or install APIs, not download. So you should come to a page like this. If you guys don't have an account, then it should come to a page like this. So what you guys want to do is just in this big search bar, just type Pranav Sai. So it should come to a page like this. And yes, I only published this API 20 minutes ago. So it's the only one. So just click on this, Pranav Sai 0.0.2, and it is the second version. I just made a small edit, so. But basically you should come to a page like this and just click this copy to clipboard button, and it should copy this pip install Pranav Sai to your clipboard. Now all you want to do is go to your command prompt and just control V this. So you want to paste it and just click enter. So this should install my library. As you can see, I already have this library, so it's not installing it, but it should install for you. Now what we want to do is just get onto a text editor and actually use this library. And right now, as you can see on my project description, it's just a basic calculator, right? You can add numbers, you can subtract numbers, you can multiply numbers, and you can divide numbers. So let's go into our IDLE and actually test this out. So obviously this is just the first the first release, right? Tomorrow I will be adding a lot of cool things on it, but for now I just want to show you guys like how to use it, just the first version. So when you're watching this video, it's probably gonna have a lot more things on it, and it will show here, so it's pretty straightforward. So on here we want to import our Pranav Sai. So just say from Pranav Sai import all. So you don't have to keep typing Pranav Sai, right? And this should import all the packages from Pranav Sai, or yeah. And now what we want to do is just use it, right? So right now I have add number, subtract number, multiply number, and divide number. Those are really the only functions that you can do on this API. So we can print like add number, and then we just pass our parameters, so 1 and 4, right? So what this is going to do is it's just going to add 1 and 4. So you can see we have our output of 5. And this does have, this does have a try and accept loop, so, it can tell if it's invalid or not, and it can also handle floats. So, yeah, so let's just try all of these. So we can say subtract number. And we get 0.5. We can say divide number or multiply number first, right? And we get 18.0, and we can also divide. So yeah, so this is a very simple thing, but I feel it's cool. So I will be updating you with the updates that I make, right? And I will try to use this package in some of my videos so you guys can actually test it out in some more advanced projects, I would say. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace.